is your land. Come seek an adventure into your pirates, eh?
Made the jump to life.
So August 25th, so towards the end of this month, we'll be able to buy them. So we have 4 different types of keys. So the top one is the Dream Key. So this is $13.99 per person. It's reservation-based admission to one or both theme parks every day of the year. You actually can get park hoppers, so you can go into either park with this one. You can hold up to 6 theme park reservations at a time for different dates, and that is 90 days out that you can make your reservations. You get up to 20% off select merchandise, 15% off select dining, and you get parking included, excluding a few blockout days for parking, but there are no blockout days for Dream Key. You are only limited by the reservation system. So reservations are still required. There are no blockout days, but it could all get booked up. The whole park could get booked up, while there could be no reservations available for that day. So the Believe Key is $949, and it's reservation. You can hold up to 6 theme park reservations, just like with the Dream Key, so you can have up to 6, but it just doesn't have the parking perks, and we're gonna see it probably has some blockout dates as well. I haven't seen those yet. Hold up to 6 theme park reservations. You only get 10% off merchandise. You only get 10% off the dining as opposed to 15, and you get half off parking. This is a little. I was expecting this to have the holiday weeks here between the 19th and the 31st, but there are a few more days blocked out than I was expecting. They're not blocking out the full weekends, but they are keeping you out of Saturdays in the Halloween season, the prime of the Halloween season in October. Thanksgiving is blocked out, and the 1st and the 2nd, that's not too surprising. Then it picks up. Otherwise, weekends are available. You start to lose some of your holiday weekends in February and in March. Spring break week is blocked out, and Saturdays and Sundays. Just a couple of days here in May at the end of the month. June is wide open. Saturdays in July, all of the Saturdays. So they're giving you more Sundays than they are Saturdays with this pass. And August is wide open, as is September. Okay, the Enchant Key. This is $649. This is similar to the Flex Pass in price. So we're expecting a lot of blockout days. You can hold up to 4 theme park reservations at a time, and 10% off select merchandise, 10% off select dining. September, you're losing just a few at the beginning of the month. October, no weekends whatsoever. November, just a couple of Sundays. All of Thanksgiving week, all your Saturdays are blocked out. December, no weekends whatsoever. And of course, the holidays, all the way through to the 6th. That's expected. January, to lose that whole weekend, 15th, 16th, and 17th. That's kind of an unusual thing at this tier. February, you've got your weekend options, but they are taking out the busy weekends. The President's Day weekend and Martin Luther King weekends there. And March, starting to lose your Saturdays. April, no spring break, no Saturdays whatsoever the whole month. That's a little bit more sometimes with the Flex Passes. A lot of times, even in the off season with the Flex Pass, you were losing your weekends. So quite a few days there that wouldn't be an option for you, but you could still plan, several vacations. But I would have to say that the Enchant Key is going to be less attractive for locals who can day trip the park, and locals are going to want to, probably be putting out the $950 or the $1,400 to have a little more access and have weekend access. If you work during the week and you're only free during the weekends, then you gotta get the weekends. So the Imagine Key is only available for SoCal residents. Okay, living in specific zip codes in Southern California. It has reservations. That's a darn good deal, $399. That's amazing. You can hold up to 2 reservations at a time. You get your 10%. That's a great pass, but you're gonna want to have weekdays free. You're gonna have to do weekdays. I don't see a single weekend available. And then, of course, a good chunk of the summer is blocked out. But if you've got Mondays through Thursdays in particular, because they're blocking out a lot of Fridays as well, and I mean, you'd only have to go to the park like twice, maybe 3 or 4 times for this to really be worth it. So there we are, folks. There's not any type of pass that we're aware of at the moment that you can get that's going to get you in Disneyland and Disney World whenever you want. It looks like they are keeping the 1 o'clock crossover time for park hop, so that's interesting to note. So August 25th, that's when that's going to go on sale. So you've got a few weeks to think it over and mull over what's the right one for you. You are not allowed to use your 3-day pass, your SoCal discounted 3-day pass, and then upgrade to a Magic Key or annual pass. But I do believe with regular tickets, you are able to upgrade to Magic Key. So let us know what you guys think of this stuff in the comments. Hope this was helpful and a fun way to check it out. See you real soon, Mouseketeers. Have a great day. Well, I hope this was a fun, helpful way to check out this information. We'll see you real soon, Mouseketeers.